Hey guys, welcome to Everyday Family Adventure. I'm Trent, and it's been a little bit. I just decided, um, I guess sometimes against my better judgment, which I know that none of you will judge me, but I'm making a decision today to get real with you guys and just share some things that have been going on in our life that have been challenging. And honestly, I really believe from the bottom of my heart um, we're going to see the goodness of the Lord happen here. So we're really excited. But, anyways, glad to see you guys. Settle in. I'm just going to get real with you guys today. Okay, so I just I went for a jog this morning, and I'm just at this place where I'm like, the Lord has been laying some stuff on my heart that I've been really excited about, but not without, just to be honest, enemy attacks. Um, we we're doing fine. I'll say that. Like Siobhán and I, we're doing okay, and Siobhán and I are great. But like, and the kids, we're doing great. And to be honest, like for most of you guys, you don't know, but we moved back into this guy. We're not living out in Kona anymore. And it's just one of those things where I think that the reality, kind of sets in of like, for one, my large family doesn't fit in here anymore, and we can't all sleep in here. Um, but the struggling thing is that we want to be together. So we got some sleeping in my in-laws' house. Grateful for that. Um, what am I trying to say? Over the past 3 months, we made a really big decision to finish up our time in Kona, move back to the States, and Siobhán got a job at Ridgeview Christian School where our kids are attending, and we love it. I'm wearing the hat. It's been really good. I mean, I can't complain. Please hear me. I'm not complaining about anything. I'm not coming to you with a desire to like vent or talk, about all my woe situations. I'm genuinely in this place where I'm like, the Lord is about to do something big, and He's been laying this on my heart for a long time. And I just am feeling a little bit afraid to get it started, to be honest. And I don't know why. Um, oh, back in 2016, we started our YouTube channel. And for those of you guys that watched a long time ago, we just began those videos to just be open and honest and communicate. Again, honestly, we were just like this. And Siobhán and I began those YouTube videos. I think that there were very few motives to do those beyond the fact that Siobhán said, we should just do this. And I'm like, no, put it off for a long time. And then I finally was like, yeah, let's. One, we were kind of out on the road with our family. We were doing the best we could to minister with music in churches and in campgrounds and any place that would have us, but feeding a family of 7 doesn't always come easy, and that just created such a high stress. On top of that, the security and safety of being at one singular local church, um, for a family, it takes a toll on your family when you're out and you're alone, and your kids are alone. And so, to be honest, we just wanted to connect with our family and our friends back in Michigan where we had left, and we missed them dearly. And so we just started doing these videos because we missed talking with people. And to be honest, guys, I think sometimes that's where I feel like I'm at right now. Like I feel like we've restarted. Um, Things in Kona were great. They were. And there were people there, people for our kids to be around. When we moved here to Virginia, we prayed and asked the Lord, like, Lord, if we can, I don't want to do that again. I don't want to put my kids through a place where it's just us seven and nobody else. And sure, we make great relationships with people. Great relationships with people. We've made great relationships with people everywhere we go. Well, you're talking deep friendships and a feeling of home. So when we moved here, we just talked about it, and Siobhán and I felt really strongly that as we prayed to the Lord that He wasn't going to bring us to the mainland. That's what, if you live in Hawaii, that's what you call it, the mainland. We weren't going to move here to the States and be alone again, but that there would be opportunity for us to be plugged in. And so specifically, that's why we felt the Lord said to come here to Virginia, because we've got a great church here. They've partnered with us for years, and they've been wonderful to us. But even then, I knew that the church alone would be hard for all seven of us to feel like we're connected in. And so we prayed, like, God, if we could come here, would you help us find a good Christian school? One that has sound values, you know, a biblical worldview, you know, like Bennett had been at Hawaii Public Schools last year, and guys, it didn't go well for him. And it wasn't him. He just was really kind of picked on and persecuted for what he believed. Imagine that. So we just prayed about getting them in a Christian school where they can have sound teaching. You know, like, here's an idea. How about just teaching our child math without teaching them some other agenda? Anyways, I'll stop my political point of view. But we found it, and God provided an open door, which is an awesome opportunity. So we took it, and we moved here. And that's where I can say safely right now with so much joy, Siobhán's doing great. The boys are doing great. I'm doing great. I'm just facing this like, oh, God, I feel really alone in this. And I'm an extroverted person. I need people to talk to. So, you know, I guess I just wanted to reach out and say I miss you guys. You know, I'd love to. I'll have some more videos. I feel like this is good for me too, to just be communicating here, because we've met such great people by doing this, and I believe we'll see the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. And I'm really excited about what we've got going on. I just got back from Wisconsin, recording a new 6-song album. I won't go into the details of what it's called right now, but I'm super excited about it. I kind of want to just let that be another video where I can not be like this. So again, if you have never heard from us or you've never connected with us before, if you're an RVer and you're like, well, we love living the RV life, hey, we're right back here with you again. However, our children are way too big to fit in this thing. I just, for those of you guys who've watched this for a long time, I can't express how much I'm really grateful for you for having supported us for so long and believed in us. And I'm really genuinely getting excited about this next season, especially since I just got done recording these songs, getting ready to launch them in January. I'm looking at 2024 with an amazingly new outlook. Okay, I'm going to leave it there because I still believe, as well as I know you do too, and you can stand with us in prayer. Believe with us in prayer for a house. We're hoping that we can live somewhere. Believe with us in prayer for some finances this month. We took a big hit. And just believe with us in prayer that we can make the world better. So remember, we can make the world better. I believe we can. Bye.
We're enjoying our very first night game at Liberty University's football stadium.
Ladies and gentlemen, Liberty would like
Look at this place. There's Camden. Camden, say hi. Camden.
The Flames ended the season with 12 wins and captured their first ever regular season title after an